How to save your presentation with Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. You just come to File, but in other Windows you have like 2007 you have Office button, not File, but here it's just like 2003 to 5. So you click on File. Now you see Save As. You click Save As. Now you choose the folder. Let's go to my document. Now I think I'm okay with my document too. Now you save. So I'm okay with this. You save. Now when you come up here, you will see at the title bar your name. This is the menu bar. Remember, this is always undo. Now we can go.